I saw your ad group videos. I want to do the best practice. Which shall I choose? Structure A or B or something else? All right, let's have a look. Structure A over here is okay. So those of you who are on the mobile, I'll just read that for you. Physical therapy, near me, nearest to me, near me, close to me, closest to me. Okay, so you created these keywords as phrase and then the exact match. All right, and then the same for other ones. Physical therapy, near me, near to my area. Okay, so you got near me, ad group, area, location, and clinic. You will find that most of this, I would say almost 80% of these keywords will never get an impression. They will be low search volume. So you are just bloating up your account with more keywords. Google is a lot more intelligent and clever now compared to 3 years back where we would do this. All I would do is put in the near me or the area or the location as 1 or 2 keywords, and that's about it. Because Google knows near me is the same as near to me, is the same as nearest to me or nearby me. And then you go into your search terms report. If you find other search terms which Google has triggered your ad for and you have not put them in your ad group, then put them in. As simple as that. Why do all this work now to begin with when they will all be low volume keywords? So going back to your question, whether I would go structure the campaign ad group like this or like this, I would put them all in one because the algorithm needs to have more data, right? And you will start to get more data in. So each one of these 1, 2, 3, 4 keywords in the same ad group and try it. The other thing, if you want to do, make another campaign and have 1 or 2 keywords per ad group, like for near me, area, location, and clinic, and test both. See which one performs the best. That's the best advice I can give to you.